Ricoh is empowering digital workplaces. That means work happens whenever, wherever, and however it needs to. Collaboration with coworkers is easy, no matter where they are. The real-time exchange of ideas and information is a reality. And employees have the tools they need to be equally productive, whether in the office, at home, or on an airplane. You can operate this way every day. Our experience and cutting-edge technologies are empowering digital workplaces. It's a smarter way to work. Empowering digital workplaces creates a culture of collaboration and innovation. Make efficient use of your time and space. Book meeting rooms with ease. Have a big meeting to manage? Ricoh Facilities Management supports everything from setting up AV equipment to initiating video conferences to managing visitors, caterers, vendors, and more. Make any meeting space interactive, engaging, and productive in an instant with Huddle Room Technology. Unified communication systems bring the world face-to-face, empowering people to work together regardless of location. Interactive whiteboards enable teams in multiple locations to share and edit documents in real time. No travel required. With the Smart Device Connector app, send data and documents to your mobile device and print anywhere or share anywhere securely with digital rights management. Integrate content management, SAP, and other back-end systems to streamline information sharing with workflow automation. No place to put your mail? Get it on the go. Intelligent Delivery Services scans transactional mail into a workflow for processing. White mail is also scanned, so you choose how and where you want it delivered. We're turning ideas on what the workplace should be into reality. How? By delivering the innovative technology that is empowering digital workplaces and creating smarter ways to work. Ricoh. Imagine change.